Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can hide your conversation in Google Chat. It's pretty simple. So to hide your conversation, what you want to do is click on the conversation you want to hide. And once you click on the conversation, you want to click on the person's name, which is going to be at the top right corner. So I want to hide this conversation with one step. I will click on his name one step. Once I click on his name, it's going to bring me over here. And at the second last option, you can see the option called hide conversation. You want to click on that. Once you click on it, it's going to show you conversation with one step has hidden. So in your case, it's going to show you your friend's name. And once you click on that, as you guys can see, the chat with that person has been hidden. So that is how you guys can hide conversation in Google Chat. So if I want to unhide the conversation, what I need to do is click and search at the top. And over here, you want to write your friend's email. So whichever email your friend used, you want to enter that. Because to unhide a conversation, you need to search for them using their email again. So search for them using their email, and their email should appear at the bottom. If you click on it and you type something in the conversation, they will be unhidden again, just like this, as you guys can see. So that's how you guys can do it. Hit the subscribe to our channel. How to guide you guys next time.